got my little Walmart setup with the jig head and the minnow. We're gonna go walk down to the river. Okay. Come back. Okay, well, got that. Fish I got, little rock bass. Another one. The world's smallest rock bass. Look at that thing. Boop. Little rock bass on the minnow. Sick. I just caught my first ever Lake Michigan perch. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. That's why you don't give in to no fishing signs. Number 2, a baby smallmouth bass. Technically, it's my first ever Lake Michigan smallmouth. And this thing is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that fish. Alright, let's let her go. Definitely my biggest for Lake Michigan. Look at that shark. It's a giant perch for me. Look at that thing. It's a beautiful fish. Alright, another baby smallmouth bass. They're very pretty. They don't really have the size on them, but they're cute. Just landed another perch. It's another pretty one.